Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna tell you guys my experience using Sonavel, if this product worth your money, if this product will help you improve your brain health, your hearing, and if definitely you should buy it. Okay, stay to the end of the video because the informations that I wanna share with you here will help you on that. First of all, I am on the official website where I bought mine Sonavel bottles, which is this, and I link in the description below of this video and on the comments, because as this product is making lots of success, scammers are creating fake websites, so you should be careful with this and buy only on the official website. Okay, I bought a product because I was struggling with focus loss in my job. I had problems because when I was there working and all that stuff, I start to, I don't know, think about other things, and my mind was never, I can't be focused, you know. So that was one of the main reasons that I bought this product. I saw all the informations here that they provide us in the official website and think that could really help improve my brain health, my focus, my energy. I was in low doses of energy, and this was a bad thing for me, you know. So here you can see all the fact. If you are over 30 years like I am, you can start use immediately right now. As you can see here, the best way to take Sonavel is one capsule a day. That's like they teach us here, they show us. I'm still using it because the product is really good. I have more focus, I have more energy. Like I said in the beginning, I struggle with that, the lack of this focus, energy and everything, so really are helping me. But I start to see the results only in the second month forward. Okay, and if you wanna buy it, I strongly recommend you, but buy at least 3 bottles from Sonavel, because less than this you will not see so much results on your body. You have to use, as they recommend here, for 3 months to the ingredients act on your body, and you get all the benefits and results that this product can give to you. Okay, this product helps on the hearing too. That's not my case, but I bought the product for my dad too, that have hearing problems, and in 3 months he started to hear lots better. Definitely you should buy this product if you yourself have hearing problems and focus, not so many energy from the daily tasks. Definitely I recommend this. This is the official website. It's linked in the description below of this video, and I hope my video helped you on your decision. If you like, hit the like button, and that's it. Thanks for watching.